How's it going? Curtis here. And what I'm going to be showing you is how to edit a video using a free program called Windows Movie Maker. Now, if you've got a Windows XP or a Windows Vista computer, you're going to have this program somewhere on your computer. If you go to Start, All Programs, and it might look a little bit different on Vista, and I apologize for that, but I'm an XP user. But here we have Windows Movie Maker. I'm going to cut this out of here so I can start from scratch so you guys can follow along. But like I said, here we have Windows Movie Maker. And when it pops up, it'll look like this. You might actually see, it might have something that looks like this down at the bottom. Um, Basically what this is what they call storyboard mode. And this is what they call timeline. And now basically using this program, it's just a 1, 2, 3-step process. And you start by capturing or importing your video. Now I've already got a video on my computer, so I'm just going to go to import. I made a little demo video earlier. Usually I save whatever I'm working on right at the moment on my desktop just because it makes it a lot easier to find. But it's going to import it. Here now you can see the video. You can see just me basically saying that I was making a video so I'd have something to use for this screen capture video. But all you got to do is just click it, drag it down to the timeline, and this is the area down here where you're actually going to do most of the work. Now it's just a real short video. It's, I don't know, maybe about 16, 17 seconds long or so, but the most important things that you're going to want to know about right away are if you go up here to under clip up at the top here, there's this split option, and what that does is allows you to cut the video into pieces. Let me there we go. See how now it's two pieces now, and if we go back to the storyboard, you can see it's two different pieces. And usually the reason I use this, and here's another one, this here is the undo button. That way you can undo anything, like if you make a mistake, you just click undo. But one of the main reasons I use that split feature is, say for example, I shoot a lot of my own videos, so I set up a tripod in some cases, and you got to go over and I don't have a remote for my camera, so I have to push the record button and then walk back over and sit down or stand wherever I'm at, and there's a little bit of stuff in there that I don't really want you to see, so that might be the first 5 or 10 seconds of the video or whatever. So you come in and you play the video and get it to a spot that you want, and then you can come up and you can split it in half and then go back to the storyboard, or you can do it right from the timeline. You can cut it out and do away with the the junk footage that you don't want in there. I'm just going to undo that because I didn't really want to do that. Alright, so again, like I say, if you just want to cut the first little bit out of the video, get to the point where you want the content to start, just go to clip, hit split, click on the piece that you don't want, and then you can right click and hit cut, or you can click it and then you can come up to edit and click cut. I just like right clicking because it's right there. It's a little bit easier to do, but you can do it either way. Now the other thing that you can do with Windows Movie Maker here is you can add title slides, or you can add like end slides, credit slides, whatever they want to call them, and that's under part 2 here where we edit the video. Now a lot of times in my videos, as I'm talking about a specific website, or as I give the name of a website, I'll have the website pop up on the screen for a few seconds or whatnot. And how we do that is we just go down here to make titles or credits, and here it gives you the options. If you want to do a title at the beginning of the movie, or if you cut this thing up, you can insert slides in between the clips. Or like I say, if you want to put the words actually on the screen, you would actually do title on the selected clip. So what I'm going to do here, just so you can see what I'm talking about, is I'm going to do a title at the beginning. This is going to pop up a little thing here. I'm just going to put this is my demo video. Just keep it simple. Done. Alright, and then I'm going to go over here onto the video here, and I'm going to go back to make titles or credits, and this time I'm going to actually do it on the selected clip. So this will show up on the video. Just do curtisgore.com, that's my blog. And you can mess around with where you have this thing placed, and it'll move where the words show up over here. So let's just do it something about like that and add them. And then basically the size or the length of these boxes correspond with the duration that they're displayed. So I'm just going to span that out some so it shows up a little bit longer. But I'm going to go back to the beginning, and let's see, I'm going to turn the sound down and play it, and you can see they're just going through the title slide, and then here it is, and then there's the little text section pops up. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do with it, and from there all that's left to do is just finish it. And I'm going to save the file to my computer. I'm just going to call it my how-to video, and again I'm going to save it to my desktop just because it's easy to find. Now in this particular program, I like to go to show more choices, come down here to the other settings, and change it to high quality video large, and that changes it to 640 by 480 pixels, which is the size that YouTube videos typically are at, and that's the most common video size for online videos. So like I said, just click on show more choices and then high quality video large, and that's it. And then you hit next, and basically it's going to convert the file, save it wherever you asked it to save it, and I'm going to go ahead and end the video there, and I'm going to pick up on the next video taking that file